So I wanted to run a quick AI experiment today. I do a lot of drop shipping, and I want to see what happens when I hand AI the wheel almost completely. So no input from me, just let it pick the next 10 products for a summer store, what it thinks is going to do well, what it thinks it's going to blow up this summer, source the suppliers, build the store, run the math. Then in a few weeks, we'll see how AI did. So this is going to be kind of a pretty much an AI drop shipping store. So I want to show you what products AI picked for this store, and I want to show you Doba Pilot, where I got these products selected from. So first off, Doba Pilot. So most AI tools give you dashboards. Doba Pilot is like an agent designed for drop shipping. But you talk to it like a business partner, and then it doesn't just give you information back, but it actually executes. So it goes out and it'll source products, it'll build the listings, it'll do the math, connect suppliers. Again, that stuff usually takes hours and hours of manual work, but AI has condensed this all just to make our lives a lot easier. So for this particular experiment, I'm giving AI complete control over product selection. So it picks what it thinks is going to sell, it sources everything, and it builds the operation just kind of while I watch from afar. I'm the supervisor for this one. And then in a month or so, we'll kind of run the numbers and see how it did compared to my other dropshipping stores. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe. I do videos on AI and just how to make your life easier, how to use it for side hustles, how to use it to increase your income, and how to use it to automate parts of your business, dropshipping being one of those. So we are over at ai.doba.com. Last time I did a video on this, it was in beta. It is launched now officially, so you can check it out. And it's just a chat interface. So there's no complicated menus or settings. You just tell it exactly what you want. So here are the rules that I am giving it. Focus on summer 2026 seasonal trends. At least a 25% margin on everything. U.S. suppliers. Under 3 days shipping, pick exactly 10 products. And one of my favorite parts of AI is you don't need good grammar, you don't need good punctuation, you don't need to spell things well. It understands what you're talking about. I'm also going to add here at the end, focus on what's actually going to sell this season. So we're going to do the Shopify agent. They do also have a Wix agent and a BigCommerce agent. I use almost exclusively the Shopify agent, but definitely if you want a Wix store, you can use it for that as well. But let's go ahead and send this. All right, got logged in. We sent this prompt. So first, it wants to make sure that it understands your needs. So I really appreciate that. It doesn't just guess, but it's like, hey, this is what you're looking for. So it took about 15 seconds. This is one of the faster AI agents that I've interacted with, but you know, all that it did right there, think about what a human would have had to do there. You'd have to spend hours going through supplier catalogs, cross-referencing trend data from Google, manually calculating margins, calculating shipping times. Would have taken a long time. Now we have access in about 15 seconds. So here are 10 products, but you know, some of these are too similar. Let's get 25 products total and I'll pick 10 of them. So some of these are pretty similar. Pet stuff is always a hit. Let me know in the comments, but people always will spend money. People will spend a lot more money on their pets than they will on their kids, which is pretty amazing to me. So looking through the list, I would say that AI wants me to create a pet store. So we got dog calcium bones, chicken jerky. Am I the only one too that thinks that like animal food sometimes looks tasty? Like this chicken jerky looks really good to me. I'm not going to eat it. But we'll say we're going to do a pet store. So we'll do those three. This glucosamine for hip and joint. Tick collars. I just bought my cat a tick collar, so this is fitting. Flea and tick prevention. Sea moss liquid drops. I think that's for humans, not for animals. Let's leave that one out. Some dentistry things. Salmon oil. So like, you know, pet supplements. Isn't it crazy that that's where we're at, is we're buying supplements for our pets? We are very blessed and wealthy society. So I actually picked 11 because there were 11 here, but we're going to go with the dog treats, the cat treats, chicken jerky, glucosamine, a bunch of supplements for your pets. Let's take these 12 products and turn them into a pet supplement store. So it understands that I'm looking to build a dedicated pet supplement store using these 12 products. So it's pets, pick the store color. Let's go with green. That's like life. Let's do a cute dog and cat. So here can start a free, I have a lot of free Shopify trials, but we might as well start another one. So we're getting our Shopify trial set up to connect with Doba so it can build this store. Install the app now on this new Shopify trial. So again, the app connects Doba to Shopify so that Doba can keep track of your inventory, list products for you, things like that. Okay, so that is installed. So then they ask for the URL to put in here. Build your store with AI. All right, and I did rename my store to Pelton's Pets. That's a good name, isn't it? Big fan of alliterations. But it is now building the store. So I have my products. I got the app installed. Now it is building the store. So you can see it put this new theme in here. So we'll take a look at their theme that they built for this Pelton's Pets store. Isn't this cute? The nice green that I put there. So it got the store created, and then I said, can you add these 12 products to my store now? So it's grabbing the products here to Pelton's Pets. The sales price is doing just the price that we pay times 1.2, include shipping. And then I'm going to do optimize titles and optimize descriptions. We will continue to ask. All right, so it is listing all these products. When I go over to Shopify, you can see that these are showing up in here, and they did optimize the titles and they optimized the descriptions. It's nice. They have all the images and everything ready to go. I mean, this is so much easier than dropshipping used to be. You used to have to go find the products, and then you had to find images to go along with the products. It was a huge pain. But now Doba and AI just take care of all of it. So when you go into my Doba account and go to listings, you can see they show up there. And you can edit on here. Like, let's say you didn't actually like this product title. We can use the AI optimizer in Doba as well to get new titles. And then it'll just sync these straight to Shopify. So we can manage all our products here on Doba. So, and in under about 5 minutes using AI's Doba Pilot, we now have a store with cute pets on there. We have our products that AI picked. Pets is about ready to go. Of course, we could, make this page look nicer. We could generate a logo. Could probably use Gemini or something, generate a logo. But amazing what just a quick chat with Doba Pilot could get set up for us. But if you want to give this a try, it is no longer in beta, and they currently have an early bird special. So you get 30 days of Doba Pilot for $20. On sale right now for $15.98. So I will leave a link down to this below. And give it a try for 30 days. Just kind of get your store set up and just kind of see how it all works. Make sure that it all is set up the way that you want it. I want to encourage you, if you're watching and you've thought about starting drop shipping, now is the time. Day one, let's sign up. That's your mission for day one. Just sign up. Get your Shopify store created. You don't have to pick a niche yet. Just run 2 or 3 exploratory queries here on AI Hub. Just talk with it about, hey, what products or niches are good right now. But just talk with Doba Pilot. What niches or products are good right now? Again, just talk with it like you would a business partner, and it'll help you get set up. So it can give you a lot of ideas, and it can give you a lot of ideas like patio furniture is always a win. Dermatology, like skincare stuff, is always a win. These are like the common drop shipping products. Pet stuff, just don't steal Pelton's Pets. But pet stuff, kitchen stuff is always big. There's a cat toothbrush. But look around a little bit and see what sparks your interest. And, pick some products or a niche that you would actually buy yourself. That's sometimes the best way to pick is, what would you buy? What is something on here that's like, oh, I would consider buying that. If you would consider buying it, there's probably other people that would consider buying it as well. So day one, get signed up, get your store set up. Maybe by the end of the first week, get your products added to the store and then start tweaking it, making sure that it looks good. Week 2, maybe start sending your store to friends and family and just, ask for feedback, ask for, what should I do differently here? Then week 3 is where we can start doing the TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or whatever and start getting eyes on your store. Again, I think that's going to be my next dropshipping video, is what happens after your store is set up. But do go try out Doba Pilot. Let me know in the comments what you think. They would love your feedback. Again, it just came out of beta, so it's brand new, just launched. So if you want to use it and say, hey, this is what I liked, this is what I didn't like, they are shaping the product right now. So they appreciate your feedback very much. So, and I appreciate your like, your subscribe, any comments. Let me see your stores. Would love to check out what you guys have built using Doba or something else. But shout out to Doba for helping us with all of our drop shipping needs. They have made drop shipping a breeze these days. So I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.